Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder Walking tour. Today we're headed up to Sidney, Iowa. Sidney boasts a rich history intertwined with the westward expansion of the United States. Sidney was founded in 1851, but the town was originally named Dayton. Surveyors boarding with the Milton Richards family were swayed by Mrs. Richardson's suggestion to honor her hometown of Sidney, Ohio, and that's how the name Sidney came into place. The early days saw Sidney serve as a crucial stop for pioneer families headed west. Covered wagons would gather supplies and form wagon trains before continuing on their journey across the plains westward. The arrival of the Burlington and Missouri River Railroad in 1855 further bolstered Sidney's growth. Businesses flourished and the town became a center for commerce and agriculture. In 1871, the historic Fremont County Courthouse was constructed and stands as a testament to the town's increasing importance in the region. The early 20th century saw continued development with the establishment of schools, churches, and a vibrant downtown area. The iconic Sidney, Iowa Championship Rodeo, claimed to be the world's largest continuous outdoor rodeo, began in 1924 and continues to be a major tourist draw today. Fremont County was organized in 1850 with its first county seat in Austin, Iowa, a small community that was just about 7.5 miles south of Sidney here. In Austin, court sessions were held in the storeroom of A.H. Argyle's home, one of the two houses in town. The county seat moved to Sidney the following year. In 1860, commissioners constructed a two-story brick building with a heavy brick tower and a tin roof for $40,000. This was financed through the sale of swampland. In 1863, an explosion severely damaged that structure, blowing out windows and doors and displacing the second floor and roof. Despite repairs, the building's walls continued to crack, prompting the decision to construct a new courthouse. This courthouse that we see in front of us today, the Fremont County Courthouse, was built in 1889. For its period, it had a rather plain appearance. Its primary features included an entrance porch with rounded arches on the short medieval-style granite columns. At one point, the entire outdoor structure of the building was covered with stucco, but that thankfully was removed, and the courthouse stands as a beautiful building here today. One of Sidney's claim to fame is having the world's largest continuous outdoor rodeo. The Sidney, Iowa Championship Rodeo holds a legendary place in rodeo history and is the world's largest continuous outdoor rodeo. The rodeo itself was founded in 1924, and Sidney boasts a remarkable track record. It's been held continuously for a century, actually a century this year, making it a true testament to the town's cowboy heritage and dedication to the sport. This uninterrupted run sets it apart from other rodeos across the United States. The rodeo itself attracts rodeo enthusiasts from across the country and beyond. It provides a platform for professional rodeo athletes to compete in various events like bull riding, barrel racing, as well as steer racing. The excitement and skill on display draw a large crowd, making it a significant contributor to Sidney's tourism industry. Beyond the competition, the rodeo also offers a vibrant celebration of Western culture. Visitors can experience a taste of the Wild West through events, exhibits, and rodeo dances, along with other social gatherings associated with the event. To our left is the Fremont County Historic Center, as well as the Iowa's Championship Rodeo Museum. Inside are exhibits related to Fremont County, Sidney, the surrounding towns in the county, as well as the Iowa Championship Rodeo itself. Hotels often played a significant role in the business community of early Iowa towns, and Sidney was no exception. Among the first hotels on the Sidney Square was the Crozier House, though little known is about that early establishment. In 1916, James Reed Sr. purchased the Crozier House and renamed it the Hotel Sidney. Although the building has been repurposed over the years, the name Hotel Sidney remains visible on the front of the building on the west side here of Sidney Square. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder tour here in downtown Sidney, Iowa, and got a little bit of a taste about western Iowa and what it's all about here in this part of the country. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Take care now. Bye-bye.